Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we'll create this simple, beautiful Christmas scene for which we require a paper, marker, pencil and our simple oil pastels. I know you will have great fun making it. So before we start making this beautiful winter scene, I would request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. So let's start the drawing of our winter scene. So the first step is we will make some mountains. I'm starting with some mountains and we will show some snow on it. So just rough. Now we'll create an imaginary line here, just a little, to make some trees and to make some things around it. So first we will create this hut. So it's a very simple winter scene which we are creating. So very simple winter scene we are creating. Now along with it I'm not making this bottom line because we'll show some snow here. So just abrupt lines because it's snow all around. And there is this path for this home. We'll make a snowman. Usually the kids play with the snowman in the winter area where there is a lot of snow around. And in the rest of areas we'll show some trees. We have also learned how to make these trees. So what we are doing is whatever we have learned in our previous video, we are creating it into a scene. And a very simple drawing is done. Now what we will do is we'll use oil pastels to color it. You can also use sketch pens and all with your convenience. Okay, wherever we have to give the effect of the snow, what we'll do is, remember, we have to use the light blue color and the white color. So I'm using the white color and a pinch of blue color to give the shade. We'll use the brown color for the rest of the mountain. And we will also add a darker brown shade. Do the colors patiently, don't be in a hurry to finish it. So now let's do the hut first. I'm using this red color for this chimney part. And the upper part where I have shown the snow, I'll leave it. I'll give the shades of white and blue. Now for the green areas, again what we'll do is we'll add pinch of white on top first because the snow is there, and towards the bottom part also a little bit green and then again white. And for the second one, only green at the bottom part. And we continue with the light green color. And add a pinch of dark green here. The rest of the part we'll keep it green and pinch of white on it. So why white? As snow is there, so the bottom part will be little white. We all have learned all these things which we are making it in a composition. We know how to create them. In our previous videos, we have just learned all these objects and now we are just composing them in a scene. So I think you will not have any problem in making it. and you will enjoy creating it into a scene. Winters are those times when we all are so cozy, we enjoy the weather, and I hope you all will enjoy creating it. Yeah, so I'm using a yellow color for this snowman. I just spoke Santa, and my daughter rectified me. Anya told me it's not Santa, it's a snowman, what you're creating. Anna also told the same thing. So when you make a mistake, there is somebody to rectify that. And we'll use the white color for his face, and again same the pinch of blue color. Now the path will be a little gray, so I'm using a little bit of gray color here. And we can add a pinch of black color, literally a pinch, not more than that, just to give the depth. Now again, the rest of the area is filled with snow, so we'll add a lot of white and blue to give the shades of snow. Just randomly do some blue color and add a lot of white on it. The similar thing we'll do on the other side also. So this part we'll add a little bit more of blue, and then we'll mix it with white color to give it an effect of snow. I've just added the blue color and I'll mix it with the white color. Now for the sky, what to do with the sky? Let's make it much beautiful, and we'll give the effect. So I'm starting with the white color, and I'll be creating a kind of a moon, or I'll give an effect. I'm using it into a circular. I know it won't be visible to you, so I'm using it in a circular form. Then I'll use the light blue color. I have this light blue, so I'll just add random circles and I'll merge it with the white color. And again we have to mix it. So don't leave any white space. Please keep in mind that you don't have to leave any white space. The drawing is almost done. So I'll just remove this tape and show you how it will look. I hope you all will create it and you will of course share it with us. Do give it a try and subscribe the channel, and of course press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone. Enjoy your winters. Take care.